Hello friends, and welcome to day 18 of the Let's Get Blitzin' Cocktail Advent Calendar. It is Sober Saturday and we are making a delicious zero proof gimlet, the Grinch'S Gimlet starring Søbrii Zero Gin. Again, we're doing Sober Saturday, not Sober Sunday, because I don't know how to read a calendar. But in good news, I trust that this will be a welcome reprieve for some of you, because I know at this time of year, if you had the opportunity to do any holiday parties, whether in person or virtually, it's very easy to have one glass, lead to 2 glasses or 3 glasses, and then it's the whole bottle. So I think it's really important for me as a cocktail content creator to give you some options to enjoy the craft of cocktailing without the hangover. And that's why I love to work with Ontario's own Søbrii. They are based in Stratford. They worked with the Niagara College Research and Innovation Division to create this incredible distilled spirit. Yes, it is distilled. That means it is not just flavored water. They actually go through the same process of distillation that you would experience when creating alcohol, but without the booze. So 0 ABV, 0 sugars, 0 hangover, all the flavor. This gimlet will involve, in addition to Søbrii Zero Gin, some pear juice. As you might recall, my Pear Noel from last year was very, very popular. I will link it below in case you'd like to check that one out, in case you love pear juice, you're looking for something else to do with this particular bottle of juice, because it doesn't really come in super small formats. Your rosemary syrup and an egg white, and we're garnishing with a little sprig of fresh rosemary. Let's go ahead and get started, shall we? So Søbrii Zero Gin, which I featured in my Blackberry Christmas recipe in last year's Cocktail Advent Calendar, features the classic gin botanicals, 2 ounces of Søbrii Zero Gin, 1 ounce of pear juice. Those botanicals include juniper, coriander, allspice, and a little bit of Ontario ginseng, which lends a really pleasant citrusy astringency, which is why I am not using lemon juice or other citrus in this zero proof cocktail, because I think it would be overwhelming. So I want you to just keep that in mind. If you're going in your own direction with this recipe, keep in mind that the Søbrii Zero Gin has that great citrusy component from that Ontario ginseng, 1/3 of an ounce of rosemary syrup. So if you're doing it differently, I don't want to hear, I don't want any mean reviews, comments on the blog, because if you're not following it to the T, that's on you, babies. That's on you. That's on you. We're doing 1 egg white into our cocktail shaker, or you can use aquafaba, chickpea brine, or a vegan foamer. Gimlets don't typically involve egg white, but I do love a little frothy finish. Because why not, right? You're worth it. You deserve it. Again, only shaking 1 at a time, and we're starting with a dry shake followed by a wet shake, and we'll be serving this in a chilled coupe. Just took this baby out of the freezer. So you want to make sure that all of the edges, all of the connection points of your shaker are nice and dry and clean, so that you get a good firm seal, firm grasp. Smile while you shake, makes it taste better, as you know. Because it's not your first day here, right? Right. Or maybe it is. Welcome. Welcome to you. Thank you for joining me. Woo! We're getting there. We're getting a little squirrely. There we go. Very foamy in there. Love to see that. We're adding ice. We're going to clean up the edges yet again. We don't want a shaker explosion. If we can avoid it, we'd like to drink the drink, not wear it, right? Right. I know we've had some rough couple of days, and I hope that Virtual Happy Hour is a welcome respite for you, a little change of pace, a little lighthearted entertainment. That's my mission, folks. Make it fun. Ooh, frosty. Here we go. Let us strain into our chilled coupe. Thank you for your love on my reel of this cocktail this morning. If you haven't had a chance, go check it out. Ooh, this has worked out just beautifully. Perfection, really. Some of my finest work right here. You can order Søbrii online at Søbrii.ca. You can also pick it up in Ottawa at Chef's Paradise. A little sprig of rosemary. Perch that on the edge, and here we've got our Grinch'S Gimlet. Cheers. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, that's yummy. Søbrii really is the star of the show in this one, so hopefully you had a chance to pick up a bottle. And if not, you can do so online, in person. You've got the details. I've shared them with you. What more could you want? And I will see you tomorrow for day 19. We're heading into the final week of the Cocktail Advent Calendar. Thank you for sticking with me. And I know I'm behind on sharing my outfit details. A couple of you have messaged me and said that's the only reason you watch. And you know, as long as you're watching, that's all that matters to me, friends. So I will post those outfit details. It's a little bit of work, just so you know, because I don't buy all new outfits. That would be impractical, not very sustainable choice. So I often have to go onto the depths of the internet and find similar products for you to locate, trying to link to things that you can purchase on consignment. Obviously, not that great an option if all like 40 of you want to buy the same thing. But I do what I can. Give you options, different price points, similar looks. Quite like this one. Hope you do too. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow.